Okay.
Go ahead, baby. She smiles. I see that. More ponies!
Oh my goodness.
Open the store with them.
Good heavens.
Why would you need so many?
There's 15 ponies.
And
In the whole set?
Yes.
they all won't fit in that barn.
Well, that's
That's a bit overkill.
She's smart.
There's another one.
She's putting it back in.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, let's put it over here.
Can be.
Overcompensating that
Next
she's
one.
not here, I think. But they're beautiful.
What is that?
Pony.
Okay.
Every piece of paper off.
She's my little ox.